Hi, my name is Jason Horn. I live in New York and I'm an orthodontist.
Hello, my name is Dr. Ana Castilla and I am from Castilla Orthodontics in Salem, Oregon.
Yeah, the course was great. It was a full day, packed. I came in with very limited knowledge of digital workflow.
I think the course by Dr. Wu is completely amazing. I learned so much about printers, about the software, and even the workflow.
I would absolutely recommend the course to people of various knowledge levels, whether you don't have a lot of knowledge of digital workflow and creating in-house aligners, or you do, you're going to pick up lots of different facts.
Dr. Wu is such a great speaker. He knows the concept, he knows the subject, he explains everything in detail, and he's very comprehensive in covering the entire aspect of aligners.
I had a fantastic time today at Dr. Wu's class. It was an excellent course. It broke everything down from the initial step when you greet a patient all the way to delivering the clear aligners for the patient. I really enjoyed seeing all the laboratory procedures and how everything is done for the in-office workflow.
And his strategy is to give all the control to the orthodontist instead of other companies. So at the end I feel really comfortable starting all his workflow and implement that into my clinic. So thank you for everything, Eric. It was perfect.